If there are specific concerns or questions, seeking guidance from a healthcare professional can provide tailored information. Thank you for watching the video.
Hello everyone. Today, we'll be discussing the top 10 fruits that can contribute to a bright and radiant face. These fruits are packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants, promoting healthy skin from within. 1. Blueberries. Starting off with blueberries, these tiny powerhouses are rich in antioxidants that help combat free radicals, contributing to a clearer complexion and youthful skin. 2. Strawberries. Next on the list are strawberries, packed with vitamin C, which aids in collagen production and helps brighten the skin tone, leaving you with a natural glow. 3. Oranges. Oranges are not only delicious but also loaded with vitamin C. This vitamin is known to boost skin health, helping reduce dark spots and blemishes. 4. Lemons. Lemons are a great addition too, as they contain citric acid that helps lighten dark spots and exfoliate the skin, promoting a more even tone. 5. Watermelon. Hydration is key, and watermelon is an excellent hydrating fruit. It's also rich in lycopene, which protects the skin from UV damage and supports a healthy complexion. 6. Mangoes. Mangoes, high in vitamin A, promote skin repair and renewal. Including mangoes in your diet can contribute to a smoother and brighter complexion. 7. Papayas. Papayas are another fruit rich in vitamins A and C. These nutrients aid in skin regeneration and repair, leaving your face looking refreshed and revitalized. 8. Kiwi. Kiwi is a vitamin C powerhouse. This fruit helps in collagen synthesis, reducing the appearance of fine lines and promoting a vibrant and youthful skin texture. 9. Pineapple. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme with exfoliating properties. Regular consumption can contribute to a clearer complexion by removing dead skin cells. 10. Grapes. Last but not least, grapes, particularly red grapes, contain resveratrol, known for its anti-aging properties. Including grapes in your diet can help maintain skin elasticity. Conclusion. Remember, achieving a bright face isn't just about what you apply topically but also about nourishing your skin from within. Including these delicious fruits in your diet can contribute to a natural and radiant glow. Cheers to healthy and happy skin.
Hey, everyone! Welcome back to my channel Health Haven. Today, we're tackling a common skincare concern, dark spots on the face. Let's dive into the top 10 methods to bid those spots goodbye. Number 1. Sunscreen protection. First and foremost, shield your skin from the sun. Use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 to prevent further darkening of spots caused by sun exposure. Number 2. Vitamin C serums. Bring in the power of vitamin C. Serums enriched with vitamin C can brighten skin and reduce hyperpigmentation. Incorporate it into your morning routine for that extra glow. Number 3. Chemical exfoliation. Consider chemical exfoliation. AHA and BHA exfoliants can help remove dead skin cells, promoting cell turnover and fading dark spots over time. Use them wisely in your skincare routine. Number 4. Retinoids for renewal. Embrace retinoids. These derivatives of vitamin A can aid in skin renewal, gradually diminishing dark spots. Start with a lower concentration and increase as your skin builds tolerance. Number 5. Natural remedies. Explore natural remedies like lemon juice, aloe vera, and honey. These can be applied topically to lighten dark spots, but remember to patch test and use them cautiously. Number 6. Laser therapy. For more advanced cases, laser therapy can target dark spots and stimulate collagen production. Consult a dermatologist to discuss if this option is suitable for you. Number 7. Microdermabrasion. Microdermabrasion is another effective treatment. It exfoliates the skin, reducing the appearance of dark spots. Professional guidance is crucial for this procedure. Number 8. Skin brightening masks. Incorporate skin brightening masks into your routine. Masks with ingredients like kojic acid or licorice extract can contribute to fading dark spots. Number 9. Hydration and healthy diet. Stay hydrated and maintain a healthy diet. Drinking enough water and consuming foods rich in antioxidants can promote overall skin health, potentially reducing dark spots. Number 10. Consult a dermatologist. Lastly, when in doubt, consult a dermatologist. They can provide personalized advice and recommend treatments tailored to your skin type and concerns. There you have it, our top 10 methods to tackle those pesky dark spots. Remember, consistency is key in skincare. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more skincare tips. Until next time, take care of your skin and stay beautiful. Hey, welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of skincare with our top 10 tips for removing blackheads. Let's get started. Tip 1. Steam your face. Begin by steaming your face to open up those pores. Boil some water, place your face over the steam, and cover your head with a towel for a spa-like experience. Tip 2. Exfoliate regularly. Next up, exfoliate regularly to remove dead skin cells. A gentle scrub 2 to 3 times a week can do wonders for preventing blackheads. Tip 3. Salicylic acid cleanser. Incorporate a cleanser with salicylic acid into your routine. It's great for unclogging pores and controlling oil production. Tip 4. Clay masks. Treat yourself to a clay mask once a week. It helps absorb excess oil, tighten pores, and reduce those pesky blackheads. Tip 5. Retinoid creams. Consider using retinoid creams to promote cell turnover. Start with a lower concentration to avoid any irritation. Tip 6. Use non-comedogenic products. Opt for non-comedogenic products to keep your pores clear. This is especially important for your daily skincare and makeup routine. Tip 7. Pore strips. While not a long-term solution, pore strips can be effective for quickly removing blackheads, especially around the nose. Tip 8. Hydration. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water and moisturize your skin. Even if you have oily skin, hydration is key. Tip 9. Balanced diet. Maintain a balanced diet rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Your skin will thank you for the nourishment. Tip 10. Avoid squeezing. Last but not least, resist the urge to squeeze blackheads. Instead, follow a consistent skincare routine to keep them at bay. And there you have it, our top 10 tips for blackhead removal. Remember, consistency is key. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful. does your morning routine look like? Is it a mad dash to get out the door? Or perhaps a leisurely start with a cup of coffee and the morning news? Or maybe it's something in between. Have you ever considered adding exercise to your morning routine? Here are 10 reasons why you might want to give it a try. Firstly, morning exercise boosts your metabolism. By getting your heart rate up early in the day, you're kickstarting your metabolism and helping your body burn more calories throughout the day. Think of it as turning on your internal engine first thing in the morning. Secondly, it enhances your mood. Exercise releases endorphins, those feel-good hormones that reduce stress and improve your mood. This can set a positive tone for the rest of your day, making you more resilient in the face of whatever challenges may come your way. Thirdly, morning exercise increases your energy. It's like a natural cup of coffee, providing an energy boost that can help you stay alert and focused throughout the day. Fourthly, morning workouts offer consistency. They're less likely to be skipped due to daily commitments such as work or social events. When you get your workout done first thing in the morning, you have the rest of the day free for other activities. Fifthly, regular morning exercise can lead to better sleep. By waking up early to exercise, you're helping to regulate your body's internal clock, which can improve your sleep quality. Sixthly, morning exercise can aid in weight management. By burning calories first thing in the morning, you're setting yourself up for a day of healthier eating and better weight control. Seventhly, over time, morning workouts can lead to improved fitness. With each workout, you're building strength and endurance, helping you become fitter and healthier. Eighthly, establishing a morning exercise routine promotes routine and discipline. It sets a positive tone for the day, and over time, it can become a habit that's hard to break. Ninthly, if you choose to exercise outdoors in the morning, you'll get some natural sunlight. This can enhance your mood and help regulate your circadian rhythms, promoting better sleep and overall health. Lastly, morning exercise can boost your productivity. Exercise has been shown to improve cognitive function, helping you think more clearly and be more productive throughout the day. So, there you have it. 10 reasons to consider adding exercise to your morning routine. Give it a try and see how it can transform your day and your life. Remember, the only bad workout is the one you didn't do. So, get up, get moving, and make the most of your morning.
Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of natural immunity boosters that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. So, grab a pen, take notes, and let's explore the top 10 home remedies for boosting your immune system. 1. Balanced diet. Number 1 on our list is maintaining a balanced diet. Load up on a colorful array of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins to ensure your body gets a variety of essential nutrients. 2. Regular exercise. Coming in at number 2 is regular exercise. Move that body. Moderate exercise not only keeps you fit, but also supports good circulation, contributing to overall healthier immune system. 3. Adequate sleep. Sleep is number 3, and it's a big one. Prioritize quality sleep. It's when your body does important repair work and strengthens its defenses against illnesses. 4. Hydration. Number 4 is hydration. Drink plenty of water to keep your body functioning at its best. Proper hydration supports all bodily functions, including the immune system. 5. Probiotics. At number 5, we have probiotics. Nurture your gut health with foods like yogurt or kefir. A healthy gut is linked to a strong immune system. 6. Vitamin C-rich foods. Now, let's talk about vitamin C at number 6. Load up on citrus fruits, strawberries, and bell peppers for a natural immune boost. 7. Garlic. Coming in strong at number 7 is garlic. This flavorful ingredient contains allicin, known for its antimicrobial properties that can help support immune function. 8. Turmeric. Number 8 is turmeric. Spice up your dishes with turmeric. Its active compound, curcumin, has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. 9. Ginger tea. Sip on some ginger tea at number 9. This soothing beverage is not only comforting, but may also offer anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. 10.